We think liquid soap will dissolve COVID better than hand sanitizer due to these three main reasons.
Our first reason is that light dissolves light, which we learned in the light dissolves light lab. This means that polar and other polar molecules will be dissolved in each other, and non-polar and non-polar molecules will be dissolved in each other. But if a polar and a non-polar were to meet, they would not be dissolved. Our second reason is that water is polar, soap is polar and non-polar, and hand sanitizer is polar and non-polar. And when you wash your hands, you use both water and soap. Because of these two elements being able to break down the COVID virus, we find that soap and water will be more effective than just using hand sanitizer.
Since COVID has an outside layer which is non-polar, soap, which has non-polar elements in it, will easily be able to break it down. The inside, which is polar, and water is also polar, with soap also having polar elements. So water and soap combining can also easily break down the inside. So due to this fact, water and soap can easily break down the outside layer of COVID and the inside layer, leaving it to not be able to infect your body.
Thank you for listening.